everybody, Dustin Troyan, Porsche Marquee Day, March edition. And the cars are turning at you there. Here they come. It's gonna be an amazing day out here. That's beautiful. Gotta love it. We have event shirts out here. All the cool people come to Supercar Sunday. Just saying.
We hang out right here.
Well, hey.
We got a pimp for the t-shirts, the stickers.
I like it. I like it. But if you're a cool person, you come to Supercar. That's all I'm gonna say.
Yeah, that's right.
For years, decades. So here we go. The event, as you all know, is presented by Porsche Woodland Hills. I believe it is the #1 dealership in the United States, North America.
Hey, you want it?
It's a time change. So whenever the time changes, it starts off a little slow. Now it's 7 o'clock right now, so I think we're doing pretty good. Here we go. I said it 2 seconds ago on the video. Watch this. All the cool people come to Supercar Sunday.
And they come early.
And these guys have been coming since the Village Coffee Roaster days, Mulholland, the originals.
Happy Daylight Savings Day.
And you know what? Back in the day when you guys pulled up in your Porsches, I was probably nervous to actually talk to you.
Oh, come on.
True story. True story. And best guys in the world. We've had so much fun. Vartan, great people out here. Gotta love it. Hey, tell me about your Porsche real quick. I got my camera going. Keep pulling. This car gets so many looks. You upgraded the wheels, new wheels, yeah?
Right.
Oh,
so I did the rock cards, and then I did Pasha interior on this recently.
Oh man, that's beautiful.
Carbon fiber floor mats.
Carbon fiber floor mats.
And then I add these stone guards.
Okay.
And then the door pulls too from the GT3 RS.
Love it.
And then I blacked out the back bumper too.
Love it. Danny at Mini Corsa, gotta love Danny.
Yep.
Great guy. Danny's been coming to this show like 25 years.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Great guy. I love this car. I love what you've done.
Yeah.
When you pulled in, everyone's head turned. The wheels really light the car up. Looks great. Rock guards.
Yeah, I'm really happy with it. All gray I wasn't, but once I started doing a few things to it, I'm just totally happy.
Really brought it alive.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Love it. Well, thank you for always coming out to Supercar Sunday, sharing the car, the passion. Check out your shirt right there. Bam. Gotta love it. Supercar Sunday. I always say it's where the cool people come. Right there, right here. Another great day. Thank you.
Thank you.
You got it. What'd you bring today, John?
I brought a 1973 RS Carrera.
Oh, should we go look at it real quick?
We can go look at it.
Oh boy, there's Steve Geldman. Scientist.
Dustin, good morning.
I'll tell you, I keep saying all the cool people come to Supercar Sunday, and you just roll in.
That's you. Good to see you, my friend.
You too, Steve. Steve's an absolute sweetheart. Santa Barbara Porsche Club member, great guy. Love the shirt, thank you.
Thank you, man. I got it from a buddy.
Love it. I'll be there in a second. Killing me.
And all the techs in that shop are qualified. They're good people, and the old timers.
Here it is. Love this car. I've always loved this car.
Yes.
Every time this car came in, I was like, I wanted to take it up stunt, Mulholland, Payuma, Rock Store.
Well, it lives part-time on stunt. It knows it very well.
Love it. Love it.
Carreras. Good morning, everybody.
The Carreras are coming? Oh.
Got a Carrera coming.
GT?
No, it's moving.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. We got some GTs coming in.
Good morning.
How are you? Hey guys, watch behind you, please.
The nice thing is you can find people that are Rothmans that are common. So
I'm gonna park these GTs real quick. All right, everybody, back here at Supercar Sunday, brought to you by Porsche Woodland Hills. Got a couple GTs just showed up.
Man with the orange hat.
Hey, hey.
Wow, 2 showed up today. Amazing.
Well, we got more on the way. It's still early.
Oh, wow,
What'd you
still-
bring? What'd you bring? Can we look at what you
some
bring?
off-roader cars.
Let's go look at your let's go look at your 4x4.
Right. Well, it looks like a 4x4. It's actually a 2x4.
It's a 2x4, so we can build a house with it.
We could.
Okay.
Get some nails, a hammer, start pounding.
So
them in.
how is it that you always bring in the coolest damn cars? How for 25 years?
Okay.
25 years he's been coming to the car show.
Right.
One of the originals.
Right.
Very kind man.
OGs.
OG. Very kind,
OG
supportive man.
here.
What in the world is this? Where's it going? What are you doing with it? What's the story? You always have a story.
Well, the story is it will be starting on Bring a Trailer tomorrow.
Oh.
So you can follow the auction of this car on Bring a Trailer.
Okay, love it.
Belonged to a very dear friend of mine, Lorenzo Pearson, that owned a Volkswagen aftermarket company called West Coast Metric.
Okay.
Lorenzo built this car 20 years ago, so before all this Paris to Dakar stuff started and everything, Lorenzo built this tribute car 20 years ago. That's how ahead of his time he was.
Wow.
He was a very famous off-road racer, raced in the Baja 1000, all kinds of off-roading stuff. Has a museum down in Long Beach featuring off-road vehicles. So since he couldn't buy a real one, he decided to build a tribute car. Yeah,
Love it.
That's where it came from.
And who built it? Who worked on the car? Do we know?
Well, here's a kicker.
Let's hear it.
Have any of you ever heard of Emery, Rod, Don, and Gary Emery?
Naturally.
Very famous.
Yep.
It was originally their car.
Wow.
So this is one of the very few 911s that they built as an outlaw car. And this was just a beer chaser out at the desert.
Okay.
So they built it. They did the steel flares, that body. All the flares and everything are steel. See? Tap, tap. This is all steel.
Wow.
So they built this, and then it broke down, it sat in their garage forever, and that's when Lorenzo, who was a personal friend of theirs, they went to high school together.
Okay.
At that point, Lorenzo offered them enough money for it. They weren't doing anything with it. He took it. He was just going to repaint it, and then got this harebrained idea to make it into a Rothmans replica.
Love
and
it.
that's what you see. It took 3 years to build it.
Wow.
It cost him, with all the favors and everything that he called in, over 150 grand to build it 20 years ago.
Wow.
So there you have it. So we'll see what it goes for on Bring a Trailer this week.
I'll tell you, when you come into Supercar Sunday in this car, people go bananas.
Yes,
they go
do.
bananas.
They went bananas. Some of them went oranges. A few of them, a couple of people went watermelon. But
Bananas.
bananas. There you have it.
They went crazy over this car. Jeff, thank you for always bringing cool stuff out.
You're the best, Dustin.
Appreciate you. Love
You are
you.
the best.
Right there. So we get the coolest stuff out here at Supercar Sunday. And I'll tell you what, the people to me are better than the cars, but this is pretty substantial. Then you come over here. God love it. Another great day, Supercar Sunday, bringing the community together for over 25 years. Filling up. Donuts going fast.
They're talking about rebuilding that place. We're talking I was there last week one day. It was raining.
Here's the family out here selling Supercar Sunday shirts.
And stickers.
Sticker shirts. Thank you. Appreciate you.
You're welcome.
Tony's been coming forever to the show. Greg's been coming forever to the show. So I'm gonna cut off video for a second. Day's just begun. All right, so back here, Supercar Sunday, Porsche Marquee Day. Let's take a quick walk down the aisle. It's a little bit after 7. You know, the best part, just the variety. Supercar Sunday is known for the variety of cars, right? Of all cars. But then on a Porsche day, it's the same thing where the enthusiasm for Porsche is just off the hook.
But it looked good. I was like, all right, cool. I rode that for a little bit, and then after that, I had an Infiniti G35 Sport. Okay. Yeah, cool. I love that car. Cool car? Yeah, I love that car. I would have given that the first one. I love that car. Yeah.
Oh, we got the GTs.
Oh wow, because they were way back.
Morning.
Morning.
So many cool cars out here. Hey, how are you guys? Thank you for being here. They've been coming to the show forever. Gotta love it. This is available. Oh my goodness. Morning.
It's like a G-Wagon.
How are you?
All right, man.
Great morning out there. Hey everybody, Dustin back here at Supercar Sunday, Porsche Marquee Day. So the first parking area is full. Oh, here comes one.